So now we're going to go over how to make a fill in the blank question. So what we'll do is we have the directions already written. We can edit them if we want because we haven't saved this background as a picture yet. We're going to go to the text tool, and then I'm just going to create the sentence that I want students to fill in, and then just leave a blank where I want them to fill in that missing part. So I might do the ones place is, and then space, and I want them to say 10 times larger than the tens place. And so then I'll make the font a little bit bigger, so maybe 8, font style. Okay, so here's one question we could have. The ones place is 10 times larger than the tens place. And so then we'll later on put in a text box, but we don't want to do that now because we're making the background. And then maybe I'll put here the hundredths place is, and I want them to say 1/10 as large as the tens place. And so you can also choose to give them a word bank if you want, or if you just want them to know, you just want them to know, you can just have them type them in. But this will be it for the background. So we're going to go to File, Download, PNG image, and then we're going to create a blank slide. And then Background, choose Image, Browse, and then we'll go to our Downloads, and it should be at the very top of our downloads. And here we are. And so then we want to make sure that students have a place to type because right now they can't type. So we're going to go to the text box tool, and then wherever the blank is, I'm just going to make the text box big enough. What I like to do is first off, I center the font so that they can write in the middle. I make it big enough so that they can see what they're writing, and then it's also easier for me to see what they're writing. I change the color of the font that they're going to be typing with so that when I'm looking at it, it stands out. And then I also change the outline of the text box so that the students can see where they're supposed to type. So go to border color, and then I just change it so it's easy for them to see. So here, and then we'll just copy and paste it and put it on the other line. And this way, when students are ready to respond, they'll just double click and then they can type N10, and it's super easy to see. The other thing is I put in those tech tools, so I'll just copy it. I had written over here, paste it here. The tech tool is double click in each blue outline text box to type your response. If you want a word bank, you can definitely put one in off on the side or underneath the directions.